Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking Fun with Mom and Son. My name is Pratyaksh. Today we will be making hot chocolate. So let's get to the ingredients. Also guys, just a quick reminder before we start making the hot chocolate to please like and comment on this video and do subscribe to our channel. Now let's start making on the hot chocolate. So the ingredients for making hot chocolate are 4 tablespoons sugar, 5 tablespoons cocoa powder, 3 to 4 tablespoons fresh cream, half inch cinnamon stick, and 2 cups milk. So this recipe is for 2 cups of hot chocolate. So let's get to the recipe, guys. So just remember one thing, that the amount of sugar, cocoa powder and fresh cream that we are using depends on your taste. Like I wanted less sweet, so I've taken 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can take 5 tablespoons also, and according to that, if you want more chocolatey or less chocolatey, more creamy, less creamy, that depends, that is your taste. You can alter the quantities. So first of all, we will add 5 tablespoons cocoa powder.
Should we
So
switch
now,
on?
what, Mom?
Should we switch on the induction cooker, Pratyaksh?
No. We don't have to switch it on right now. Just remember that. Okay, don't switch it on right now.
Oh, okay.
So
Sorry.
first we have to add 5 tablespoons cocoa powder. Then we'll add 2 cups milk. Okay. Now don't switch it on right now, because you'll blame me afterwards at Pratyaksh. You didn't tell us, you spoiled it, so don't switch it on. Okay, let's move on. Now we will add 3 tablespoons fresh cream. I have added 3 tablespoons because I don't want it to be that fatty, as it has to be a bit healthy. We will now be adding 4 tablespoons sugar, which I think will take all the healthiness away. Now the healthy part is gone, apparently. Oh, sugar. That would be interesting. A sugar, Mom.
Wash your hand, Pratyaksh.
Okay. What I'm doing it is pause the video, no?
Yeah, should I start? Please carry on.
So now I washed my hands. After you have put in all the ingredients, switch on the induction cooker now. Like not earlier, now. Or else it will get all spoilt. Okay. After switching it on, keep mixing the ingredients until all of them get mixed up completely and the hot chocolate starts boiling.
Decrease the temperature, Pratyaksh.
No, I'll increase it. No. Wait.
Decrease the temperature.
I'll increase it. It'll take so much more time if I decrease it. So I'll increase it. Now keep mixing it and make sure that the hot chocolate doesn't start clogging. Okay? Not right now. Don't stop mixing now. Okay, so just oh my god, no.
Pratyaksh.
So we just saved the hot chocolate. It would have been a tragedy. Like Mom saved the day. So give credit to her. Yes. Now I have decreased the temperature drastically. Like don't make the mistake that I made. Keep a moderate temperature. Now I'll add half inch cinnamon stick when the ingredients are mixed up. And now start mixing again.
Pratyaksh, hold the handle. Or else again.
Yeah. I would have told you about the tragedy that happened when I made hot chocolate the first time. But it's too sad. So
Leave it, beta.
yeah, I have to. So now you can see the hot chocolate is boiling and it's quite thick. So now our hot chocolate is kind of ready and we can switch the induction cooktop off now. The cinnamon stick was only added to enhance the taste. So now you have to take a bowl and a strainer and then pour the hot chocolate in the bowl through the strainer like this to drain out any excess cocoa powder or the cinnamon stick. Now, if you feel like the hot chocolate is not going through the strainer, don't get frustrated. Mix it with a spoon and it'll go perfectly like this. See the excess cocoa powder and the cinnamon stick. Now we'll put this aside and we'll take a hand blender and blend the hot chocolate so that it becomes super thick. You have to blend it for about 20 to 30 seconds. So after you have blended the hot chocolate, you have to add it to your coffee or hot chocolate mug using a spoon. So this is my favorite coffee slash hot chocolate mug. It has never left me. Yes, you heard it right. Look at it, the perfect quantity each and every time.
Hey Pratyaksh, I think you forgot to bring my mug.
Forgot?
You have made for me, right?
Mom, what are you saying? What? What, Mom? I didn't listen.
What? Where's my mug?
Oh, Mom, I'll give you a sip or two.
Oh.
So now after you have poured your hot chocolate in your mug, you can add marshmallows or choco chips as a topping.
Marshmallow, choco chip. You have got break from your lawn tennis during lockdown and you will grow fat.
Arey, no, I don't add marshmallow choco chip and all. I don't like them. So now our hot chocolate is ready. Look at the texture, look at the color, look at the thickness. Now let's drink it. So guys, during the blending, straining and all, the hot chocolate may get cold. So for that, do microwave for 30 to 45 seconds to make it tastier.
Hey guys, watch this. You need to watch this really. Really, just see. See him. This is the side effect of Appy's hot chocolate, and this happens each and every time. Now I am going to him up. Hello.
What is it? I was watching Harry Potter and it was like really disturbing.
Yeah,
It's an
you
important
were.
scene. They are destroying a Horcrux.
Oh, yeah, you were. You were.
I
Yeah.
didn't sleep again, did I, after my hot chocolate?
No,
No,
you
is that a
never.
video?
No.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. I know you saw me sleep, just ignore that part. Do like and comment on this video
And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.
because you don't want to miss out on the videos we'll be uploading. Also, guys, stay tuned to our channel because cooking becomes much more fun
When you do it with your son.
Yes, guys, sign off for now. We'll meet you in our next video.